Good morning, students. Students, today we will read the new chapter agreement of the verb with the subjects. Okay, agreement of the verb with the subjects, in which student we will learn. Okay, with which subjects the verb agree. Okay, with which subject the verb agree. Like if there is singular subject, then verb should be singular. If there is plural subjects, then verb should be plural. Okay, like suppose he is a doctor. In this student, in this question, you can check this is verb is a singular because subject is also singular. So if there is singular subject, you have to use singular verb. Like we are students. We are students. Here there is a verb is subject is plural, so verb should be plural. Okay. So in this case, you can say verb agrees with, if the verb is plural, then verb agree with plural subjects. If there is verb is singular, then the verb agree with a singular subject. Okay, student, I hope you understood. Like we, they, you. These are plural subjects and they always take plural verb. Like plural verb कौन सी होती है? Are, have, and main verb of the first form. In the first form, like होती है ना play, play, played, played. So it's the first form like play. You can say. So this is a plural verb. But if we want to make it singular, then you have to add here as or es to make it plural. Okay. So I hope you understood. Here, if there is plural subject, in this case we will take plural verb. Okay. Like she, it or he, she, he or it. They are singular subjects, so they always take a singular verb. Okay, like is, was or has. Okay, student, you have to write this. They are singular subjects and they always take singular verb. I or you is a special subjects. They always take plural verb. Okay, they are singular subjects, but they always take plural verb. But I के साथ always am यूज होता है and I plus was. इसमें सिंगुलर ही यहाँ पे इसमें सिंगुलर यूज होता है, तो you have to remember, you have to keep in your mind. Okay, student. Here we use singular verb. Okay, not I was only. So first see definition of this. The verb in a sentence must always agree with the subject in the number. Okay, the verb in a sentence must always agree with the subject in the number. Okay, first see noun which indicate food, furniture or stationery take singular verb. I repeat again, noun which indicate, जो noun indicate करते हैं किसको? food, furniture और stationery take always singular verb. Okay, the food is covered. To keep off flies. Student, here you can check the food word. Okay, the food word is being used here, then it will take only singular verb, not plural verb. Stationery also. The stationery is always purchased from this shop. कि हमेशा स्टेशनरी इसी शॉप से परचेज की जाती है. देन इन दिस केस यू कैन चेक. ओके, singular verb is being used. Okay, you can't use plural verb here because I said indicate food, furniture and stationery. We should use singular verb. Okay student, furniture also. The furniture needs repair. So student, here you can check the furniture. Furniture is a singular, so it will take only singular verb. So needs here singular verb because here s is added already. Okay, so if we want to make singular verb, then you have to add s or es to make it singular. Okay, like suppose he is singular verb and you want to write he play, then he plays आएगा, not play. Okay, we will add here s to make it singular. Okay, he plays in the garden. Okay student, so here we will add here s or es to make it singular. Okay, so second, whenever we refer to a pair of scissors, whenever we refer to a pair of scissors or a pair of jeans, okay, we should use singular verb. Like suppose student, वैसे scissors, jeans, trousers, these are plural subject and they always take plural verb if they come alone. Like if you want to say give me scissors, तो आप ऐसे बोलोगे scissors, not Caesar. Scissors are there. Okay, the scissors are there आप बोल सकते हो, the scissors are there. तो यहाँ पे हम when we use alone this word, we will take here plural verb. But when we use a pair of, like a pair of scissors is there, in this case you have to use its singular verb. Okay, because a pair is showing here, it is a singular. Okay, so a pair of jeans, a pair of trouser, if you want to make it singular, then you have to use a pair of. Okay, then in this case this is singular. Okay, and you have to use singular verb with it. Here whenever we use the word a lot of, plenty of, for quantity of something. Okay student, whenever we use the word, कौन सा word, a lot of, plenty of, for quantity of something, we use singular verb. क्या use करना है? Singular verb. But whenever they are used for number, whenever these words are used for numbers, we use plural verb. Like for example, a lot of milk has turned sour. Okay, so here a lot of milk. Okay, a lot of milk, यहाँ पे देखो ये क्वांटिटी बता रहा है, lot of milk, ये milk की क्वांटिटी बता रहा है. Then we have to use here has. You have to use here singular verb. Okay, but if we use this word for number, a lot of students are absent. Okay, then in this case you can here plural verb is used because here a lot of is being used for number. Okay, यहाँ पे students के number बता रहा है. Then it means in this case we will use here plural verb. Okay. Like plenty of water is wasted. Here you can check plenty of use किया, then it will take singular verb. Okay, because water, ये water की quantity बता रहा है. Then there are plenty of rooms in the hotel. Okay, so in this case ये रूम के नंबर बता रहा है. देन plenty of is used for number. Then in this case you have to use plural verb. Okay student, so don't forget it. You have to keep in your mind. Okay, and you have to write all rules. Okay, whenever a sentence begin with, देखो, whenever a sentence begin with there, the verb must agree with the real subjects that follow it. Okay, that follows it. Here student, like there is a dog at the gate. Okay, there are many students are there are many students. Okay, in this case there are many students in my class. It means student, here you can check there will be follow this subject. Okay, so according this subject we will use here verb. If there is singular subject you have to use singular verb. If there is plural verb, okay, if there is plural subject we will use here plural verb. Okay, again repeat, if there is singular subject, okay, after there, if there is singular subject you have to use singular verb. If there is plural subject you have to use according this subject this verb. Okay, are plural verb. Now, okay, one of, each of, either, neither, everyone, these all words. One of, each of, either, neither, everyone, take always singular verb. Okay student, when we use like one of the girl, one of the girls is reading. One of the girl has learned this question. In this case, listen student, one of the girls, girls में से एक only. Okay, one of the girls has. It will take only singular verb. Okay student, it will take only singular verb. Like each of students don't check this subject, you have to check only this. Each of students has to complete this work. Okay, so here singular verb will come. Okay, so all these words we will use only singular verb. Singular verb. Okay student, so you have to write all these, either, neither, everyone is taking everyone is taking participate in this program. Okay, like either of girls is sick, दोनों में से एक लड़की बीमार है. neither of boys are going, कि कोई नहीं जा रहा वहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. लाइक आई एम राइटिंग हियर either of girls is sick, neither of boys is going. Okay, here you can check neither or either. These are taking only singular verb. These are taking only singular verb. So remember always they will take only singular verb when these are used like this. Okay, because either is used for two person में से एक, मतलब दो में से एक की चॉइस होती है. neither is used for two person, बट दोनों में से कोई नहीं. either मीन्स दोनों में से एक और neither मीन्स दोनों में से कोई नहीं. ओके स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. सो स्टूडेंट, many more rules are given related of this chapter. Okay, like if two subjects, student, if two different subjects are connected by and, if two different subjects are connected by and, we will use plural verb. Like Ram and Shyam. I repeat again, if two different noun or pronoun are connected with and, we will use plural verb. Okay, Ram and Shyam are good friends. I you and I are going. यहाँ पे तुम और मैं, because these are different subject. ये different subject, not a single. Different है, तो in this case we will use here plural verb. We will use here plural verb. Okay student. Okay, if two nouns or pronouns, if two nouns are connected with and, by and, if two nouns are connected by and, but they refer to the same person, okay, the singular verb is used. Like for example, the playwriter or poet is no more. The playwriter और poet, यहाँ पे दोनों सेम पर्सन है ये. ओके, दे आर नॉट डिफरेंट, दे आर सेम पर्सन. ये सेपरेट नहीं, दोनों सेम है. इट मीन्स इन दिस केस वी विल यूज हियर सिंगुलर. ओके, सिंगुलर वर्ब, बिकॉज फॉर आइडेंटिफिकेशन दिस, इफ any article used with first subject and second subject, there is no article is being used, then in this case they are same person. Okay, I repeat again, if any article is used with the first noun, यहाँ पे देखो the is used किया जा रहा है, but in second noun there is no any article is used, there no article is being used, then in this case they are considered, okay, this they are considered a single person. ये एक person माने जाते हैं. In this case you have to use here singular verb. Okay, like आप बोल सकते हो the director and principal The direction principal has taken meeting. Okay, student, here you can check before first noun article is used, but before second noun no article is being used. So in this case they are considered a single person. So we will use here singular verb. Okay. So student, police, kettle, and they always used with plural noun. Okay, they always used plural verb. Okay, ये plural verb को use police, cattle and people. Sorry, people also. Police, cattle, people. Okay, with these noun always use plural verb. Okay student, because police, अगर एक डिपार्टमेंट की बात होती है, ओनली यहाँ पे डिपार्टमेंट कोई बात होती है तो यहाँ पे एक सिंगुलर नाउन के रूप में किया जाता है, बट कैटल में क्या होता है, और पीपल तो आपको पता ही है, इट इज़ यूज्ड ओनली फॉर प्लूरल वर्ब. It is used only for plural verb. They always, these, I mean, I want to say these words always take plural verb. Okay. In some cases they take singular verb, but you have to learn first this thing. Okay. One of rule also, if two noun like are preceded, if two noun are preceded by each and every, they take always singular verb. Okay, I repeat again, if two noun are connected with and, but they preceded with each and every, okay, they will take only singular noun, like each student and यहाँ पर आप लिख सकते हैं each girl and each boy is playing in this class. Okay. Every girl and every boy. Every girl and every boy has to complete this task. Here you can check, student. Okay, you have noticed that here singular verb is being used, because when any noun, okay, when two separate nouns are used along with each and every, okay, they are used along with each and every, in this case we will take singular verb. Okay, इनके पहले देखो before each and before this noun every is used, here each is used, and here before this noun each is being used, and here also each every is being used. So in this case we will take singular verb, not plural verb. Don't think these are plural, they are singular. Okay, I hope student you have understood whatever I explained, and now in second video I will explain many more rules. Thank you student, have a nice day.